Hey, today we have a key for a Chrysler 2015. Customer got a damaged key and wants to add a new key. It's pretty simple. Let's do it manual. It's a Chrysler manual selection, North America, 215 smart key, and the keys, as you see, it's not working. It's pretty simple. As long as you have the right key and you can follow the steps carefully. So customer got two keys, reading the pin, no fob, no key detected because there's no key. So we have to hold it for less than 30 seconds. And then here we unlock, 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 lock. And learning successful. It worked.
Home internet pricing at $20 a monthly bill credit plus $5.
Thank you guys for watching.